Stacy Pope, reporting live at Van Wilgen's Garden Center. I hear that some of the Van Wilgen's employees have a few of their favorite things that they'd like to share with us this holiday season. Jill, do you mind? I would like to start with you. Is it true that raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens are two of your favorite things?
Absolutely. But I also like these little gift baskets that I like to bring to people's homes when I'm invited for a holiday party.
Those are adorable. I understand why those are two of your favorite holiday things this season at our garden center. Peggy, is it true that bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens are two of your favorite things?
I do like the mittens, but what I do like for my house is a 100% soy candle with the fresh needles in it, which leaves my house smelling like the holiday season.
I love that. Those are made locally with 100% soy wax as well.
Yes,
And wood wicks, correct?
that is correct.
Beautiful
I
pick.
enjoy them. Thank you.
Darlene, it has been rumored that you like brown papered packages tied up with strings. Is that true?
Stacy, I don't know what's in those brown paper packages, but my favorite things are in this custom container bowl. I couldn't pick just one. So,
That is adorable. You've got these traditional holiday plants. What is in this bowl?
you got 2 frosty ferns, a rosemary plant, and the holiday poinsettia.
Can people come to the garden center and put that together themselves?
They can put it together themselves, or we can do that for them.
Love it. Perfect holiday centerpiece for this holiday season. Trevor, I have heard through the rumor mill that you actually like snowflakes that stay on your nose and eyelashes. Is that actually the truth?
Yes, Stacy, those are two of my favorite things. But what I really like to decorate my home with are these frosty decorations.
These are adorable, and I know that you love to decorate your home for Christmas like crazy. Do you have a frosty theme going on?
I do. I have a tree dedicated to Frosty in my home, but these would add a lot of color to your home as they light up. And this one, Jingle Bells.
Adorable. I don't blame you, Trevor. Great pick. Lori, last but not least, I have heard that cream-colored ponies and crisp apple strudel are your favorite things. Is that true? Can you elaborate?
That is true, but I can't afford a pony. So I am going to say that we have this amazing trowel, and it has a little gadget here just for opening a beverage while my man is out there doing his job in the garden.
Oh, all right. So you're thinking about holiday gifts for your fiancé. Is that
Yes,
correct?
yes, I'm sorry. Yes, I am.
And that is no ordinary trowel. It actually has a bottle opener in it.
It does, and it's really neat. The guys are going to love it.
Very cool.
And I also have this little gadget, which is another shovel that the guys might like. Put it in the back of their truck. It's really handy. They get stuck. They can dig their way out. Goes right in the back there. It folds right up. It's a neat little gadget.
Perfect for a snowy season. I love it. It can fit in the back of a car, back of a truck. Anyway, very practical, great holiday gift. You know, all we have to do is think about a few of our favorite things here at Van Wilgen's, and then we just don't feel so bad. Happy holidays!
Merry Christmas!